Greatland Resources is set to become a cornerstone shareholder. How significant is having one of the Paterson's major operators backing Aventine from day one?
We're fantastically fortunate with our relationship with Greatland, and they're not just one of the major forces in the Paterson. I think, Sarah, we can now say that they're really one of the major forces in Australian gold. So having that guiding hand, they've vended the land into us with the intention of us exploring. They've supported us with our program. There's some great existing relationships between our technical team and their technical team, our executive and their executive, and we're leaning pretty hard into that, and they're receptive to that. They're supporting us in the IPO and putting cash into the IPO, which they didn't have to do, but they really want to see us be successful. So we're very fortunate that we've got this great relationship with Greatland, and I think it's a great recipe for success, that we have fantastic ground, fantastic people, and this really strong relationship with a tremendous company in Greatland, and we're primed for success up in the Paterson.
Your technical team includes people involved in the discovery and growth of Hemi, as you mentioned. What lessons from that discovery can be applied to exploring the Paterson?
That experience applied to our ground is critical. And Alan could have gone and worked anywhere, and he had lots of different offers, and he looked at our ground and he thought that this was a really interesting project. He's fully committed into it. He's leaning very heavily into it. He's very excited about our drill program, which he's been instrumental in designing, and he can't wait to get up there. He, along with Andy Beckworth and others, were key architect of the Hemi discovery. His history and his experience speaks for itself. It's a great tick, I think, for our company to have a man of this quality wanting to explore in this region on our projects, and we're very excited about what's coming down the pathway for us.
Fast forward 12 months from listing, what would success look like for Aventine, and what are the major catalysts investors should be watching?
Well, I think success is measured in a couple of different ways. One is successful drill campaigns. We'd like to be a significant market cap in 12 months' time. We're not a lifestyle company, we're a company of action, and so we will be out there drilling. We're not drilling for the sake of it, we're drilling primarily at Black Hills and Mount Cecilia to start with. They both have strong indications of gold. They've got historical intercepts on them. We're convinced there's gold there, and we're going to work out how much. Success would be that we've delineated resources there and that we're going to the market with a resource estimate, or even measured or indicated, then moving into our second, third, fourth phase of drilling at those projects. I think that we're looking for opportunities to expand the company in the region. We've got a great portfolio that we'll be drilling over the next couple of years, but I think that there's some more advanced projects that we'd like to look at once we're listed. So a combination of constant drilling, focused, targeted drilling, and then looking for further acquisitions to grow the company, synergistic acquisitions. I think that's what success would look like over the next 12 months for us.
Really exciting times ahead, Ben. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah.